go. How y'all doing out there? Oh, come on. This is power to the patients. How y'all doing out there? That's right. So we're going to, since we're on Broadway, we want to do a little bit of on Broadway because we need your help. You see, our budget does not allow percussion. But guess what? That's where you come in. So follow me. Hey, listen. You see the neon lights are bright on Broadway. You say there's always magic in the air. But when you're walking down the street and you ain't had enough to eat, the glitter runs right off when you're nowhere. Say the girls are something else on Broadway, yeah. But looking at them just to leave the blues. 'Cause how you gonna make some time when all you got is one thing done, and one thing done won't even shine in your shoes. They say that I won't last too long on Broadway. I'll catch a Greyhound bus for home, they all say. But they're dead wrong, I know they are. 'Cause I can play this here guitar, and I won't quit till I stop on Broadway. Come on Broadway. On Broadway. So one of the things I love about Power to the Patient is that it gives us the knowledge, it gives us the power, the information that we need to make better choices for our families and for our futures. Am I right? And if we all stand together, united, I think there's no way that we can lose. So this next song that we'd like to sing for all of you is a song of hope and togetherness. And I hope that you all will join in and sing with us, if that's okay. Don't be nervous, we're all friends now.
Here we go. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we see. Hey, come on now. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me.
So darling, darling, stand by me.
Stand
Oh,
stand by me. Stand by me.
Oh, stand by me. Stand by me.
If the sky that we look upon should crumble and fall, and the mountains should crumble to the sea, I will cry, no, I won't shed one tear, just as long as you stand by me.
So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh,
stand by
me.
Stand by me.
Oh, stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me.
Stand by me.
Oh, stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, won't you stand by me? Oh, just stand by me. Just stand by me.
Thank y'all so much.
Thank you. Power to the patient.
Here we go, guys. Get it up one more time. Ain't too proud. Yeah, tonight. us, guys. Really appreciate it. Please look for us on Instagram at Power to the Patients. We have our next performance in about 30 minutes. Do not go anywhere. We love that. Stay here with us. At Power to the Patients on Instagram. Take photos, performances of the car, upload them, hashtag Power to the Patients, automatically enter into the raffle to win the Shepherd Fury limited edition signed artwork. Thank you all so much. Help us spread the word. Prices are now a patient's right in every single hospital in the country. Thank you. We must demand hospital